Okay, so the second part of this shoot is we're actually going to do a studio part with the white high key look background. Again, it's similar to what I did with Chiara before. I'm using a main key light as this massive 5-foot octa. I've got two Profoto D1s lighting up the background with zoom reflectors on them. I've also got a Profoto B1 down here which is going to light up the bottom of the floor to keep it all consistent. If you don't do that, the light fall off might be a bit strong. I'm basically using f9 and 1/25 of a second on ISO 100, so we'll see how it's going. Now I'm using the a7iii with a 55mm. That should be okay. I'll check that in a second to make sure I can fit the girls in. Okay, we'll have a look at that now.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun.